how to add a blur background in Davinci Resolve. Very easy, so let's jump right in the video. So I'm gonna go to the color page, and here we click on this right here, window. Now double click on this, and now here, just gonna do this. Please follow along with me. Now what I'm trying to do right now is just to mask, so I can blur the background and not blur the man here, only the background and not this man here. And now what I have to do is to click on tracking here and track forward, right? And it's tracking this person forward. Now we can click forward back. If there's any mistakes here, there are some, but I think it's fine anyway. So now what we have to do, guys, is to add sorry, not the source. We need to add a node. 1 second. Add the node, and here we add a character. We have to connect this and this and that. Now here we go to this node, and we have to invert. And here we click on effects, and we have some motion blur, which is too much probably. We're just gonna pick some Gaussian blur. And here you can also add some grain out or offset if you want, or just grain. You can also add some soft. Now if you don't like this blur, let's Control Z, and we can also go to radius here, and that's another way. It's actually not bad if you add from here, because the blur can control the blur. Pretty nitty. And I think this looks pretty good. Now another thing that you can do is to just offset here. So we add these lines here offset, which will not affect exactly this guy, will not add any blur, as you can see here. So that's for this node, by the way, not for this one. For this one, select it and go here, and now change here the offset, and you should see here the blur, how it disappears from this side and from other parts. And now if you go to the edit page, we have this effect. I think it looks pretty good. I hope you found, guys, this tutorial valuable. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.